Hey guys, and welcome back to this video, this channel, not this video, but anyways, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like really cool film strip video transition on CapCut PC. Does this even okay, I'm just going to speed this up, or I'm just going to add another video actually, maybe this one. And then on the second video, go to mask and select the mirror one, and you're just going to rotate it this way or this way, it's totally up to you. I'm also going to feather it out quite a bit, and I'm going to put it like this for the first frame. And then like here, I'm going to then, oh, I forgot to add a keyframe. Sorry about that. Like around here, I'm going to then move it like that so you can see the whole video. And you can also add in like an end animation to this if you'd like to, maybe the swing one, or whichever one you want. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!